Welcome back to AI Explores AI Education Series, where we unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence. In this episode, we are diving into the heart of AI and demystifying its essence. In this educational video is an exciting exploration into the world of AI, where the boundaries of human ingenuity are being redefined. In this journey, we will unravel the wonders of artificial intelligence and discover its potential to transform the way we live and work. Join us as we delve into the groundbreaking branch of computer science that seeks to create intelligent machines capable of emulating human-like cognitive functions. In this video, we wouldn't fail to touch these three major items. We'll define artificial intelligence. We'll discuss also the pillars of artificial intelligence. And finally, the applications of AI. We'll be brief in all of them. So let us talk about AI's definition. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a groundbreaking branch of computer science that seeks to develop intelligent machines with the ability to emulate human-like cognitive functions. These intelligent machines are designed to perceive their environment, learn from experiences, reason through data, and make informed decisions. In simpler terms, AI is like having a digital sidekick that not only crunches data like a supercomputer, but also has a witty sense of humor like your favorite stand-up comedian. The artificial intelligence is the brainchild of computer science wizards who dream of creating machines that not only get things done, but can crack a joke or two while getting them done. Just imagine having a robot friend who can analyze complex problems with lightning speed. You know that feeling you have when you are having a conversation with a witty friend who always has a clever answer to everything. Well, AI is that friend, but at this level with a supercharged brain. The artificial intelligence is all about creating intelligent machines that can absorb information faster than a bookworm and process data like a master chef who's whipping up a recipe, and finally make a decision so sharp that they could cut through a diamond. Looking back at our definition of artificial intelligence, it is said that they can perceive data from their environment, learn from experiences, reason through data, and make informed decisions. So let's look at these 4 points here. If these machines can perceive their environment, that means an artificial intelligence device that is deployed today will end up having more functionalities or better output with time. Once it is in service and keeps working, it should be perceiving data from its environment. It should be learning from its experiences. It should be making decisions from what it has learned earlier. This is to say that artificial intelligence can self-develop itself. Artificial intelligence machines can self-develop or self-advance themselves. They can accumulate data and work with the data they have accumulated. So with perceiving environment, learning from experiences, reasoning through data, and making informed decisions, an artificial intelligence device or device built with artificial intelligence will be able to understand that placing a log of wood side by side does not make it 11 pieces of food. Let me repeat. Artificial intelligence is able to understand that placing one piece of wood beside the other doesn't mean that you have 11 pieces of wood, but rather 2 pieces of wood. And because they look like 11, the shape 11 when written doesn't mean that they are 11, but 2. Its ability to identify, because artificial intelligence has human-like cognitive functions, that means it is able to identify items, it can identify items and then make decisions or work with them. The artificial intelligence presents a cutting-edge technology that aspires to develop machines with remarkable capabilities. Imagine a world where these intelligent machines perceive their environment, learn from experiences, reason through data, and make informed decisions, and seek to empower machines with human-like cognitive abilities, propelling them to tackle complex tasks and encourage in creative thinking. Now let's look at the pillars of AI. There are 4 pillars of artificial intelligence that we are going to discuss here. One of the pillars is learning, one is reasoning, we have problem solving, and then decision making. In artificial intelligence systems, they are programmed to gather knowledge and the information from vast data sets and adapt their responses accordingly. This process of continuous learning enables AI to improve its performance over time, becoming more accurate and efficient with each interaction. This learning process still points us back to the definition where it's stated that the machine, artificial intelligence, can perceive its environment and learn from experience. So the machines are able to learn, and they are self-developing, that they can get better, or can say self-advancing, that they can get better. While they are accumulating more data, they get better, and they are able to make more efficient interaction or more accurate decision, which were not as good as they were when the system was deployed. Like the system you deploy today, by the time it works for a week, it gains experience of working in that environment and gets better. Just like human beings, you get to a new job, a new workplace, and you start learning the work environment, you start interacting with people, you start learning how systems work there, and the more you learn, the more you become efficient in the particular system you've been employed to work. This is also how artificial intelligence functions. Now let's look at the reasoning. Just like our minds process information and draw logical conclusions, it's the same with artificial intelligence, because the AI system utilizes algorithms and mathematical models to analyze data and reach intelligent decisions based on patterns and correlations. As it's making use of this algorithm and mathematical models to analyze this data, the machine is able to detect objects and know exactly what the object is. Artificial intelligence is not going to see a dog and call it a cow. No, artificial intelligence is designed that it has cognitive functions. It will recognize objects. It has vision. It will recognize objects. And if it is a prompt-based artificial intelligence, when you feed in data that describes an object, it will be able to give you an output that says this is what this object is meant to look like. In problem solving, artificial intelligence is also designed to solve problems. The problem-solving capabilities of artificial intelligence allows it to tackle complex challenges and find innovative solutions. From the child's playing programs to medical diagnostics, the AI problem-solving prose has expanded its horizon into numerous domains. It is no longer a news that artificial intelligence is sweeping over the length and breadth of our planet, making works real easy for creatives and in all walks of life. In the health sector, artificial intelligence is there. In driving, you can see, and we've always had the self-driving cars, and military, name it, anywhere you call, in every sector that is fast growing, look very well, you find artificial intelligence there, solving problems and making things easier for people who are working in there. For instance, in self-driving, cars are able to navigate traffic autonomously with the help of artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is able to detect if a vehicle is coming, is able to detect, the traffic signs. It understands the traffic signs. It understands its environment. If you can relate back to the definition, it said it is able to perceive from its environment. So artificial intelligence that is running on an autonomous driving car enables it to sense its environment, know when a vehicle is approaching, know when it's approaching a zebra crossing, know when it's approaching an object, understand that it's getting closer to humans, understand every traffic sign it sees. This is its ability to perceive from its environment and help in solving problems. In decision making, which is the last part of the pillars of artificial intelligence that we are going to talk about, the artificial intelligence is armed with its learning, reasoning, and problem-solving capabilities. It can make autonomous decisions, and sometimes it outperforms the human definition-making process in specific contexts. Now imagine that you are to solve kind of calculation that has to do with three paragraphs of questions. You have to read, understand, and then solve. The artificial intelligence is going to give you an answer to that in maybe 2 seconds. Go through them and solve. But you as a human, I'm actually emphasizing where it says sometimes it even outperforms the human decision-making process in specific context. So it will be able to outperform humans in specific contexts, where I'm talking about now, where you have like 3 paragraphs to read and solve the mathematical problem in there. Artificial intelligence will be able to read the 3 paragraphs in less than 5 seconds and give you answers. But you as a human, you have to go through the process. As we embark on this thrilling artificial intelligence journey together, we'll delve into the various facets of AI, explore its real-world applications, and uncover the boundless potential it holds for shaping the future. So join us on AI Explore as we unravel the captivating world of artificial intelligence and delve into the intricacies of learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making that empower artificial intelligence to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with technology. In our next video, we'll talk about the artificial intelligence tools, and from one of them we are going to choose and have practical use of it and see how it works. And through that, we are going to delve deep into it and see how you are going to use it to unlock your potentials and make the best out of your profession. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest AI explorations. Let's embark on this extraordinary journey to discover innovation together. Thank you and see you in the next video.